Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and we're going to take a look at a recent trade-in 2017 Sea Ray 280 Sundancer. Alright, so this one does have the extended swim platform, which is real popular here in the Dallas market. Flip down seat back here on the transom gives you plenty of room to sit while kids are swimming around the back of the boat. This one does have the electric Kenyan grill, which is nice. Sink, as well as storage underneath for all the stuff you're going to bring out with you. Extended bimini top, which we keep in storage during the off season. Does have Raymarine chart plotter. Flip-flop backrest, that way it can become part of the cockpit seating, and snap-in, snap-out seagrass, which is done really nice. Full cabin down below as well as midship, so this boat would sleep 4 people. And this one does also have the pads that go up on the foredeck as well. So if you got any questions about this or any other ones you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.